Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Mango Phirni is a easy to make dessert and also gluten free. Let us see how to make it today. We will need one mango and 3 tablespoon rice. Wash and soak 3 tablespoon basmati rice for 1 hour. It has to become soft for us to grind it. Now peel and chop one mango. Take the Alfonso mango. This has a good flavor and good taste and good color too. Alternatively, you can use mango pulp. Now drain the rice and transfer to a mixer jar and add very little water and grind it to a paste. Make a smooth paste, as smooth as possible. Small bits will remain, but that is okay. Now boil half liter milk and keep stirring when you are boiling it so that it doesn't get burnt, and add the rice paste and keep stirring. The rice cooks fast, so keep stirring, and once it comes to a boil we will reduce the heat and cook it for some time so that the small particles of rice which were left will also get cooked. It will thicken when it is cooked, and you can even check the rice particle if it has cooked. Now to this add 3 tablespoon sugar and chopped cashew nuts and quarter teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well to dissolve all the lumps because the rice will form lumps, so keep stirring. Now once it is done, you can add the mango puree and bring it to a boil, stirring continuously. Do not boil it for long, otherwise the milk will split. If you want to serve it immediately, there is no need to boil the mango pulp. You can just stir it in, mix it well and serve. But if it is going to be stored in the fridge for longer time, then you have to boil it, otherwise it may get spoiled. You can add other dry fruits of your choice like pista, almonds or raisins. I have added only cashew nut. Stir well so that no lumps are left. Now we will pour this into cups and garnish with dry fruits and chill it in the fridge before serving. This firni lasted for 3 days in the fridge, so you can make it in advance for any of your parties. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching my recipe. If you have liked it, please subscribe, like and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.